Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send money on the Cash app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. When you are in the main menu in the Cash app, in the middle, as you can see, there is the Cash app or the dollar logo. When you tap on it, you will have this page, and here you can type in the amount of money that you want to send. As you can see, there is a max limit. I think it's 99,000, but let's check. Yeah, I can't add more than 99,999 dollars. Let's see, 100,000. Yeah, I can't. So the maximum amount is 99,999. So you type in the amount of money that you want to send. You can also choose the currency that you are sending. You can send Bitcoin or US dollar. And when you type in the amount, you tap on the pay button, and here you have to type in the name of the person that you want to send the money. You can type in the name, the Cash App tag, the SMS that they sent you, or their email address. And after that, you can also add a note, anything that you want to let them know why are you sending this money. And when you're done, you just tap on the pay button. You can also use your phone contacts to send money. If you tap on the enable contacts, you can enable Cash App to reach your contacts on your phone and send money to those. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.